Hey guys, it's Coach here with another tutorial video. This video is going to show you how to get confirmation on our trades as they come into the buy zone. So AMC, that's our example. AMC, we got the chart yesterday, and so let's go over the actual chart here. So AMC, we see the buy-in zone is anywhere from 492 to 510. I've shifted that slightly, but overall 486 to 499. So basically this $5 zone is the key area. I also give you guys some notes. It says beware downtrend reversal. It needs to hold $5 buy low. Okay, so buy low by $5 or lower. So in the pre-market, the stock dipped down into the 486 level. That's the low of the stock at 486. That's where you would evaluate the stock, because at that point it's in the buy zone. It's in the buy zone that we called out in the top stocks tab on the Discord Premium. Guys, it couldn't be more simple to succeed in our trading group. I make it super easy to succeed. This is all you have to do. You're going to watch the buy-in zone on AMC. You know the buy-in zone is near $5. You see the stock come down there. You need the stock to be out of a downtrend. So you need it to break above this blue line here, the 20-day simple moving average. Once it does so, you then purchase the stock, set your stop loss 1 bar below the buy-in zone, and then you let the stock ride. If the stock comes halfway to the profit target, you can still sell some, but I want you guys to wait until the profit targets ideally, and then you can think about closing your positions, taking profits, and walking away green on the trading day. 1 entry, 1 exit. Don't get in late. This is the Rocket Trading Group. You are a pro member. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey, and see you guys next time.